Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
I feel like Scooby-Doo, like a dog. Eat the best like Scooby snacks, then I go hard. Girl, drop it, man, cause I'll take you far. She drop it too.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl KJ, and in today's video I will be showing you guys what I am gonna be wearing in Atlanta. Okay, I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. This is just gonna be a get ready with me, and I want to say it's gonna be a get ready with me, but it's really not. It's honestly just a lookbook of what I'm wearing in Atlanta. So it ain't no get ready with me. I'ma just you see me getting ready, but I'm honestly just trying on all the clothes for y'all so y'all can see them on me. And I do have pictures of these outfits as well that I took pictures of, so I'll have them on the screen for y'all to see. And they probably should be up on my Instagram, just letting y'all know. So yeah. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Y'all already know the deal. You know the deal. And don't forget to check out all of my social medias. And the day will be in the description box below. So yeah. Now I will say, with the looks that I was going for this Atlanta trip, and honestly it was just me and my mom, and we went to go visit our cousin. But with this like theme, it was honestly just a casual, cool, like cute but casual outfits that I put together. And honestly I wore like one or two of these outfits in when I went to Texas. But with this outfit here, these are just some regular leggings. They actually went with a jacket piece, like a two set. It's a two piece, but I just styled the leggings by itself this time. And this is a shirt from Shein. I actually got this like a while back, and this is literally supposed to be like a long sleeve shirt, but I cut the sleeves off because baby it's hot and I ain't want to throw nothing away. So yeah, it's a cute shirt. So I went ahead and brought my Shein jewelry. You know, we got the Cubans. We always have to have the Cubans. So all my jewelry that I have is from Shein. And I can link everything down below. But Shein they don't be having some of the stuff sometimes. So I just might just have it on the screen for y'all to see. So yeah, that's that. But with this outfit, I paired, it's just plain Jane. So I put my bling with it, you know what I'm saying? I had to put my bling with it, had to put my Cubans with it, spice it up, and then I went ahead and spiced it up even more. And I had to put my designer with it. You know I got to. I'm a little extra. I'm a little bougie. I don't care. What you gonna do about it? Yeah, nothing. Okay, so yeah. And I actually like this outfit. It's really simple and plain, but y'all, when I wore it to Texas, it was so cute on me. I didn't think it would be that cute, so I decided to wear it again in Atlanta. So yeah, girl. So I went ahead and paired my Shein watch with actually this watch is a different watch, but I decided to pair, this watch was actually a brand reached out to me, and you know, to promote their watch. But that watch, I decided to wear my Shein watch instead because the other one was just too big. So as you can see, I've been paired this with my Gucci bag, yeah, and my platform Gucci sandals. I love these together, okay, y'all. This look is so freaking cute. It's like very like simple. It's so simple, but it's so cute at the same time. It's giving very much a luxury, okay. Yes, like honey, this look got me looking sexy. The figure is figurine, like this is so cute, y'all. Like, oh my goodness. Yes, let's move on to the next outfit, y'all. Okay, so this is the next outfit that I brought out here, and honestly this was just a very chill outfit. My mom said that we were going to what was it, the movies. Man, we wound up not going. We wound up staying in the house and, you know, just chilling and watching movies. But I got this Pretty Little Things shirt from my mom. She actually got it from Pretty Little Things. And I got the pants from Amazon. They were sent to me. And then I also got the shoes, which is the Louis Vuitton slides, and the Louis Vuitton bag from the Gate. Oh my, yeah, I already know, baby. All my luxury is from the gate, and I'm not gatekeeping nothing. Okay, I'm not. I don't care what people say. I do not care. But these pants, y'all, I had this in another video. I could link that down below on like my honest review on these. But baby, they're so comfortable. I love them. I think I got these in a medium. I could have got them in a small. Okay, but I did gain weight, so I just figured, okay, let me just go ahead and get a medium just in case. But y'all, I know this look isn't like, ooh, that's cute. Like, it's not like the first one. It's very much like comfortable, chilling, maybe running errands, and you don't want to, show too much. You just want to like, you don't want to wear no leggings, because I'm a legging girl, okay? I could wear leggings with everything, okay? I do not care. So I just decided to wear these because they're super comfortable. And I just paired it with my Pretty Little Things shirt. It don't match, okay? But it's just the look I was going for was comfortable. And baby, I was comfortable. Because we did do a lot of walking one of the days that we was out here in Atlanta. So yeah, I did pair it with my Louis Vuitton slides and my Louis Vuitton bag. Now this is the brown one. I do got a black one. But I also could have paired this purse with my brown Louis Vuitton that actually matched the bag. But I really wanted to wear these, so I was like, yeah, let's go ahead. I was looking country bunking, but hey, it was still comfortable and cute to me, okay? And I just paired it with the same jewelry that I had on earlier. But yes, yeah, this is cute. Cute booty is bootying, okay? And then if I ain't want to wear that, I decided to, pair it with my Gucci slides and my Gucci purse. Like if I just to have options. You gotta have options, okay? That was cute. I thought that was cute too. But I went ahead and went with the Louis Vuitton because I already wore the Gucci with the first outfit. So I'm like, nah, let's not do too much. You feel me? But this look was actually better looking than the other one. Okay, I'm just saying. Y'all, so this is a cute look as well. I can style it with the one shoulder or like a crossbody, which honestly the crossbody was cute as well for it to be like a casual look. Okay, moving on to the next outfit here. This is a jumpsuit that I actually got from Blushmark, and the jacket is actually it's a part of a set. I got the set from my local beauty supply store. And I got it in all white. It's the same as the black legging set. So I also have this set in multiple colors like yellow, red, blue. What I have it in black, the white, the olive green. I got this set in so many colors. Like yes. But I got them from my local beauty supply store. So I just paired this Blushmark jumpsuit, and it is see-through, so I had to wear my black underneath. But I got this Blushmark jumpsuit like I want to say a while ago, and then I paired it with my Gucci slides and my Gucci purse. Now this was like, in my head it was so cute, but when I put it on, I was like, okay, it still was cute. But I got these sunglasses from Shein, my watch is from Shein, my bracelet is from Shein, my necklace from Shein. Literally all my jewelry is from Shein because it's very affordable. And this is just how the look go, okay? Once again, I do have pictures on how it looked outside in the natural lighting. Like, baby, they was giving. It was giving. But yeah, I had to put on, like, since, as you can see, like the jumpsuit, it's see-through, so I had to put on, some black, because ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, y'all, so I'm not trying to make this a vlog, so yeah, but I will say this, with my outfit today, I kind of want to wear something comfortable, because we supposed to be going to the movies later, so I wanted to wear this, but baby, I did not want to wear it, because yeah, we ain't even, okay. And then I didn't even see that it's a stain right here, and it's also a stain in the back right here, but you can't really see that for real. That ain't that bad, but like, and then it's not that bad either, so I ain't really tripping. But it's just this big stain right here, girl. yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue to get ready. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm just feeling myself. I really like this outfit, And I think this was like the first day, if I'm not mistaken, that we was out. Okay, and I just wanted to look cute and presentable, you know what I'm saying? So I decided to wear the all white fit with the Gucci purse and the Gucci slides. Now I did cover that stain up right there with the Gucci purse. I just kept it in front of me, even though it kept sliding away, but I kept keeping it in front, like let me put this right here. Okay, so this is just what it looks like with my hair down, and my hair was good. It was laid, it was slaying. Okay, it was doing what it needed to be doing in the time. Okay, and I just kind of kept my hair straight, put some water on it or whatever. But yeah, body is bodying. Okay, this is just what I wear on my first day. So yeah, I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all like the outfit. And once again, it is down below. All my designers are in my description box. So yeah, but if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next one. Bye y'all.